chefs! Welcome to Totally Toddler Ed, where we turn ordinary kitchens into magical playgrounds of fun and flavor. I'm your host, and today we have a delicious adventure planned just for you. So put on your aprons and let's get ready to create some tasty treats. Our first magical recipe is called Berrylicious Yogurt Parfait. It's super easy, and the best part, it's packed with yummy goodness. To start, grab a bowl and spoon. Now, let's add a dollop of creamy yogurt. You can use any flavor you like, strawberry, vanilla, or even blueberry. Great job! Now comes the fun part, the berries. Look at these vibrant strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. They're like nature's candy. Toddlers, let your imagination run wild. Arrange the berries however you like. Make smiley faces, heart shapes, or even a fruity rainbow. Wow, that looks amazing. But we're not done yet. It's time for a sprinkle of crunchy granola to add a little magic and make our parfait extra special. And voila, you've just created a berrylicious yogurt parfait. It's not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. Perfect for your tiny taste buds. Now, let's dive into the land of colorful fruit kebabs. It's like creating your own edible masterpiece on a stick. For this recipe, you'll need some wooden skewers and a variety of colorful fruits. Think grapes, pineapple chunks, and melon balls. Pick your favorite fruit and slide it onto the skewer. Then, add another one and another one. It's like building a tower of tasty treasures. Look at that beautiful fruit kebab you've created. It's a burst of colors and flavors. And the best part is, you made it all by yourself. Well, that's it for today, tiny chefs. We hope you had a blast creating these delicious and colorful treats. Remember, cooking is not just about making food. It's about having fun and creating memories together. So, until next time, keep exploring and learning with joy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a wild and fun-filled adventure. Thanks for joining us on this exciting safari, Little Jungle Explorers. See you soon. Until next time, happy cooking!